Hey everybody, Sean Prescott, Remax Crown Realty. I'm your homegrown realtor. Want to find out how to buy your first investment property? Keep watching, I'll tell you ways to do it. Did you know that you can buy an investment property using your typical FHA or VA type financing that requires little to no money down? It's possible. The way you do that would be to buy a multifamily property, like a duplex or a triplex, that you intend on moving into yourself. Then you can use the same financing that you would use on a single family home, and of course you can rent out the other unit or units in order to help offset the cost of the mortgage, making you a real estate investor from day one. After you've been there for a while and decide you're ready to move on to something else, you can of course resell the property or hang on to it and put a tenant in place in the unit you were occupying and continue to reap the benefits of owning investment real estate. For more tips, want to learn more about real estate investing, comment below and I'll have more videos coming. Sean Prescott, Remax Crown Realty. I'm your homegrown realtor.